Do you want to know how early energy looked like? Do you want to know what's the history of energy? We'll let you know how it all started and how energy evolved to its modern shape. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll travel across time to discover the various ways that people have used energy throughout history. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Energy technology has a lengthy and fascinating history that spans various technological advancements over thousands of years. Humans have been looking for new ways to utilize the power of energy for diverse purposes since the discovery of fire and modern renewable sources. Early energy technologies. The earliest energy technologies were simple and relied primarily on the utilization of natural resources. The use of animal power such as oxen and horses for agricultural purposes and transportation was also an important early energy technology. The exploration of fire. Many people consider the discovery of fire to be one of the most important events in human history. Early people were able to use it to warm themselves, prepare food, and protect themselves from predators. Early hominids discovered how to start flames by striking stones together some 1.5 million years ago, which is the earliest evidence of human-controlled fire. Yes, it was not until the Neolithic Revolution some 10,000 years ago that people started using fire for more sophisticated tasks like melting metals and making pottery. Fire was also used to clear ground and prepare fields for planting as agriculture advanced. The discovery of fire was a pivotal moment in human history that transformed the way early humans lived and interacted with the natural world. While the exact timeline of the discovery of fire is still debated, most anthropologists agree that early humans first utilized the power of fire over a million years ago. Industry Revolution. The late 18th century witnessed the start of the Industrial Revolution, which marked a significant turning point in the development of energy technology. James Watt's development of the steam engine in 1765 opened the door to using coal as a major source of energy for production and transportation. Significant industry advancements such as the construction of the first power plants and the invention of the electric motor were made possible for the widespread usage of coal. Yet, because coal mining and burning resulted in air and water pollution, it also had a significant influence on the environment and general public health. The rise of oil and gas. The energy sector witnessed another change after the discovery of oil and natural gas in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Oil and gas swiftly replaced coal as the primary energy sources for transportation, heating, and the production of electricity because they were more effective and less polluting. As a result of the internal combustion engine's development in the late 1800s, it became possible to use oil as a fuel for cars and aeroplanes, which fundamentally altered how people and products were moved. Sources of renewable energy. Renewable energy sources gained a lot of attention in the late 20th century as a result of worries about the negative environmental effects of fossil fuels and the requirement to lower greenhouse gas emissions. As people looked for greener, more sustainable replacements for fossil fuels, wind, solar, hydro, and geothermal power gained popularity. Currently, a larger percentage of the world's energy production comes from renewable sources. Governments all over the world are investing more in renewable energy infrastructure and regulations to promote their adoption as a result of technological advancements that have increased their efficiency and cost effectiveness. The 20th century saw a number of significant advancements in energy technology, including the creation of nuclear power and the widespread usage of electricity. Nuclear power plants were created as a result of the discovery of nuclear fission in the 1930s, which used the energy generated as atomic split to produce electricity. Yet, tragedies like the Chernobyl tragedy in 1986 showed the inherent risks of nuclear power. Since we have continuously looked for new ways to utilize the power of energy for our needs, the history of energy technology is a tale of human creativity and innovation. The search for energy has affected human history and will do so in the future, from the discovery of fire through contemporary renewable sources. The lessons from the past will be more crucial than ever as we deal with the difficulties of climate change and the requirement to switch to a more sustainable energy system. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you have not already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.